Hello world, Darren Martineau here, New Lifestyle Mastery. And in this video, I'm going to show you the funnel which I'm using, which is called the RPM funnel. And what you're going to do is just simply click on the link. So after you watch this video, just simply click on the link, put in your name and email. It's going to redirect you into the RPM, which is a rapid profits machine. Inside here, there's simply 5 steps to follow. What you'll do is join our Facebook group. We have free live marketing trainings every single week. We show you exactly what to do. You're going to take step by step. You're going to go through here, put in your affiliate information, which is going to be just connecting it to Warrior Plus, and then we show you how to get fresh buyers traffic. We show you all kinds of things, and I'm also going to have my own group as well, giving you bonuses for joining. Every time I upload a YouTube video, every time I upload a private New Lifestyles Mastery content, you're going to get that as well.